here so you can start it. Hi, I'm Billy. Today I'm going to teach you how to Ollie. Alright guys, well, today I'm going to be teaching you basically the first beginner trick in the game, basically, when you're skating. It's something that you're going to be using a lot. You want to jump off of gaps, drops, stairs, all type of things. Even when you want to hop up on it, you learn how to perfect your Ollie, then you can start hopping up stairs and hopping up gaps, and it's really something that you want to really learn how to do. So, I would say you want to have your balance pretty good on the skateboard. Well, like, I want to make sure that you've been riding it at least a while, you know, a couple weeks, you know how the footing is, you know how to not fall off a board, you know, because when you get down to it, you're going to learn it probably like this, not going anywhere, but the Ollie is so you can jump over stuff. You know you won't want to go somewhere, so you might as well just learn it. All right, what you get down to first? I think the placement of the footing and what are you going to be doing in the action of it all. So let's talk about the footing. I hold my footing about like right before the bolts or right here. It all depends really too. Like if I want to get a higher pop, I might even bring it back just a little more, you feel me? Just to get a better pop. You kind of want to keep a good center of gravity so you're not really leaning and falling, because a lot of skaters, after you get to a certain type of skating, you lose trust. I like my trucks loose, so you got to really keep your balance good, good center of gravity, so you can get a good pop, you know? That was the best, but corn man, yeah, that's me. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, you really do want to get that. What else do I want to say? That's really about it, to be honest. That footing is pretty good and pretty basic. You want to keep it mostly on the foot so you can make sure you catch it and keep your feet on the board. When it comes to, you know, that's the first thing you need to get. Actually, definitely. Get the footing, maybe even practice this a little bit, going up and down without really falling over, you know. Just so you get your proper footing and your balance up. And then you want to get down to the next thing, the flick. If you're a fan of my man Aaron Cairo, he talks a lot about the sitting and popping method. Like basically you do it in steps. You sit there and do this. If you're a kid like me, or how I was back in the day, and you were impatient, there are ways around this. That's really the most basic way to get your shit perfect and to get it to where you really want it. So, you sit, you pop right, and then the whole motion is like this. You want to flick up. You're not flicking off, you just want to flick up, and then as soon as the board levels out, you just level your feet out to where you're about at the bolts. By the time you pop back up, your foot on the forward should be going up about like this, and your back should be also sliding up at a little bit. That's in between the popping. As soon as you actually pop, then you'll see your back foot start coming up, and then you can land bolts and steezy like, you know, you see the pros do, you feel me? So, yeah. Sit and practice this maybe for a little bit, 30 minutes, figure out how to do that, how you want to flick, you know. What else? After you figure out you got that, you want to get into the pop. Remember, you do this, as soon as you do this, that's when it actually comes down to the time of really you're popping and flicking in the same motion. People think it's one after another, like it's all together. It's really just a motion together. So you pop, you flick, and you jump, all basically in one. So you just, you know? So after practicing that about a bunch of times, even trying it is probably gonna look, you know, something like that. In the beginning, that's actually fine, that's cool, it's beginning. So you shouldn't even be worrying about stuff like that. You start out like that, you practice for a while. If you're not too scared of falling, even ride. Because I feel riding might even make it a little easier for you to actually get the pop up a little higher, or even for you to see how the pocket goes. So after you practice this a little bit, go out somewhere smooth. I'm sitting out here on the street looking crazy, but say you go somewhere smooth, right? Go slow, so then practice. start, you guys. All those motions together, the places where you want to be at. If you're a beginner, scared of falling a lot, which you shouldn't be, you're about to start skating. There's gonna be a lot of falling, trust me. But scared of falling, go somewhere, maybe put yourself in a crack like this so you don't go anywhere. You feel me? Practice your ollies. Practice the motions too that I talked about. Remember, it's all about, listen, it's really all about the flick. When you can flick it nice while jumping, your ollies will come out clean and you should get nice pop. Because anybody can pop an ollie as high as they jump. So as cool as you got a nice ollie as soon as you learn it, you can ollie as high as you jump. Some of y'all probably could jump high as hell. So, yes, beginner, put yourself in a crack. That's basically it. If you can get the motions together and get the timing and the rhythm, that's really it is, timing and the rhythm. Then you're on your way to getting a nice steezy ollie, no cap. A nice steezy ollie. So, I'm Billy, and we out.